There are thousands of digital marketing courses available online, so you might ask, how did I narrow down my selection to 3 courses? Well, when it comes to digital marketing, I wanted to recommend 3 courses that cover 3 topics that will help you get a good foundation of digital marketing. This combination of topics will help you drive both paid and organic traffic to your website, including how to properly A/B test and optimize your results. Whether you're a freelancer or an employee, I can guarantee these courses will complement your digital marketing strategy. And if you don't have a digital marketing strategy yet, I recommend checking out our ChatGPT friendly template. It is really easy to use and can help you build your whole digital marketing plan in minutes. Link is in the description below. My first course recommendation is the Complete Google Ads Masterclass. This course covers Google Ads in a lot of detail, and in all honesty, Google Ads is one of the most effective ways to advertise online these days. So if you master Google Ads, there shouldn't be a reason why you won't be able to get a good return on your marketing budget. This course is a comprehensive one, so strap up. It comprises all you need to know about how to set up a new campaign and optimize it over time. I personally only did the chapters that I needed to learn more about, but how you go about it is all up to you. With over 14,000 students, 2,714 reviews of a solid 4.7 rating, this course doesn't disappoint. In a nutshell, it covers everything you need to know about Google Ads, whether you're doing it for your own business, for your clients, or for the business you work for. Let's move on to my second selection, the Ultimate SEO Training for 2024. This course covers the topic of Search Engine Optimization, or SEO, and it's one of the most popular courses on Udemy, hands down. SEO is a very important digital marketing strategy, if not the most important when it comes to your online visibility. Around 80% of shoppers these days find what they need through a Google search. And I mean 80% of all of them. That is billions of people searching for products and services every day. And if you want to get a piece of that pie, you need to learn SEO. If I was to only choose one of the courses out of the 3 I'm recommending today, I would definitely choose this one. Not only I recommend this course, even Volkswagen and Eventbrite recommend this course for their SEO employees. This course will walk you through the basics all the way to advanced stuff that you need to know about SEO. It is very comprehensive, and it even goes into detail about Google's algorithm and also gives you tips about which strategies you should focus on more. With over 52,494 students, 10,000 reviews, with over 4.7 rating, this course is a must for any marketer looking to upskill their SEO. So far, I recommended you a paid ads and an SEO course, which essentially are designed to drive you both paid and organic traffic to your website. So let's discover what is the next course that will complement both of them in your digital marketing strategy. And I'm talking about website conversion optimization. This course is essentially designed to help you understand how you can improve your website for conversions. So it's no wonder that in the actual course, you will learn how to systematically improve and optimize your website pages. Just like the other 2 courses I recommended, this one is highly rated and has plenty of reviews. However, I do recommend this course only to people that have a website and, if possible, a bit of information about Google Analytics, but this is not a must. To keep up with your marketing KPIs and professional development, I highly recommend following our channel, especially if you're interested in digital marketing and business development. Thanks for watching until the end, and good luck with your digital marketing journey.